Hi guys, my name is Reggie. I'm the Chief Technician, Master Detailer from Mafra, Milan, Italy. This is my colleague Ali, and in this video we're going to show you Carlux. Carlux is a highly versatile mirror shine finishing polishing wax based on siloxanes. It creates a deposit barrier, is very easy to apply, researched and developed in Milan, Italy by Mafra. For this very easy to use product, we need a bottle of Carlux, a microfiber applicator and a microfiber towel. For the application, just add a few drops of Carlux. For the application, divide product onto a surface, work panel by panel and wax in the product with circular motions. It has a phenomenal scent, very easy to apply, does not create any halos and gives a wet, deep gloss effect. When the product is dry, you can remove circular motions in a microfiber towel, preferably something with a little bit long microfiber. This concludes our video for Carlux. Fast and easy, quick polish to revive the color of your car, giving a very nice silky finish and an anti-deposit barrier to protect it against rain.